Hello, this is question 7 from a foundation paper for methods in mathematics, and it's from June 2012. So if we have a look at these, a variety of percentages, fraction and decimal questions, and what we're having a look at is, first of all, change 27% to a fraction. Any percentage can be quite easily changed to a fraction by writing it over 100. And if possible, you'll want to simplify that. But as they're 27 and 100 do not have a common factor, 3 will go into 27 and 9 will, but that won't go a whole number of times into 100. So your final answer, 27 over 100. Changing 42 in the same way, 42% we do in the same way, but this time we do have a common factor. For example, 2 will go into both 42, 21 times, and 100, 50 times. No further common factors, so we can write that one as 21 over 50. 73% as a decimal. There's a similar question in the paper which asks you to order numbers just like this one, and for 73% you just divide by 100 or move the decimal place twice, and 0.73 is your decimal equivalent of 73%. 7/10 is a decimal, so it's 7/10. The tenths column, so we've got units column and then the tenths column, and there are 7 of them. That's just 0.7. You should know that 1/10 is 0.1, and then you can scale up from there, identifying that 7/10 is 0.7. In a similar way, well, not in the same way, in a slightly opposite way, for 0.453, so we've got, it goes all the way to the tenths, hundredths, thousandths column, and because the last number in it is in the thousandths column, we can write it over 1,000. Last couple of parts of this question. Shade 3/4 of the shape. So if it's 3/4, you need to identify a way of splitting into 4 equal bits, which will be by splitting it vertically there, and you need to shade 3 out of those 4 equal sized sections. And finally, the reciprocal of 5 is 1 over 5. Just to give you a few examples, if we take 2, a half, -3, 2/3, the reciprocal of these are right below. So the reciprocal of 2 is a half, the reciprocal of a half is 2. The reciprocal of -3 is -1/3, and the reciprocal of 2 over 3 is 3 over 2. So reciprocal means 1 over a number, but you can also look at it as flipping the number in the case of a fraction.